Good morning, friends. This is Smart Trade Academy. Today is 1st of June, 2024. We are going to talk and analyze what is going to happen this month in XAUUSD, which is good. Yeah, we're going to talk about good. What is going to happen on good this week, which we are going to enter tomorrow. Um, on gold, what we are seeing now on gold, we are seeing a very downside on gold, a very downside. If you are on my group, on WhatsApp group, you should understand that I keep measuring this. On Thursday, when market went up on Thursday, I told you guys if gold did not hit uh 2365, that gold still remain sell. This is where gold started buying. Gold started here and end here that day. So now, yesterday, which is a Friday, gold went up again. Gold went up again and hit 2350, I mean to 360, which is here. Which is here. Gold reached here and went down very massively. So on this, we are going to talk what is going to happen in next week. Let's switch to 1 day time frame and the 1 week time frame. If it is possible, we can also analyze it in 1 month. Let's go to 1 day time frame. This is a 1 day time frame. On this 1 day time frame, why I'm saying that if gold did not hit 65 on Thursday, that gold still remain a sell. Gold still remain a very strong bearish is this. You see this you are seeing here. From here, this thing is just a consolidation of where the market is going. That is what is happening here. And if you can look, the highest breakout is here. This is the highest breakout here, which is, let's say, 2362. And for gold to become a bearish again, bullish again, gold supposed to break here on Friday or Thursday, so that we can then be looking for gold to go up to 2420. Can be looking for gold to hit 2420. But as far as gold did not do this, and it went up in the morning during the news, after 1 p.m. news, gold starts coming down again. This is showing you that yesterday is a very bearish candle. In 1 day time frame, gold end with a bearish candle, which means gold sold. You can see it by yourself. You can see it that gold sold yesterday. And what are we expecting next week? We are expecting that gold will continue the selling. Yeah, gold will continue the selling next week. And where are we expect gold to hit next week? We are expecting gold to hit at least here. At least gold should break here. Gold should break here by next week. I don't know how it may sound in some people's ear, but just understand it. And when it's going to break here, I want you guys to come and comment that this analyze is very true. This analyze is very true. This is a structure of gold. Now, gold is going to break here. The time we can then look for whether gold will go up or we continue selling is on Friday. Yes, on Friday on NFP, we can then look for gold to sell, or we continue sell or buy. But before that, bear in mind that gold is supposed to reach at least 2260 or 2250. 2260 or 2250. That is where we can expect gold to hit. Now for on Monday, where is our TP on Monday? We are looking down on Monday that gold will hit at least 20. At least on Monday, we are looking that gold will hit 2412, which is here. After 2412, we are going to get 2404, which is here. And when gold reach 2404, gold can start correction to break down to here. That time you will see a very massive movement. You will see a very massive movement. So let me go for 1 week time frame to show you something. Yeah, this is 1 week time frame. If you look at this chart in this 1 week from here to here, you will understand something. You will understand something. This gold is forming a completely W pattern on 1 week time frame. What does this mean? This W pattern is simply means when market forms something like this, you will expect a full downside. For what I am seeing here, gold can continue falling to something like here. It can hit something like this place, 2150, before we can get a very big movement and upside. Before we can get a very big movement in upside. Remember last month, the last month candle was buy complete 2 weeks and sell complete 2 weeks. And this month candle, the same thing, form the same thing, complete buy complete 2 weeks and sell complete 2 weeks. You can see it by the 1 week chart. Now let's go for the 1 month chart. This is 1 month chart. You can see that gold buy for 1 month chart last month hit the all-time high frame, and the sell for complete 2 weeks went down very big. And now in the first month, in the first week and second week, gold continue buying again and hit all-time frame and went down and rejected. What you can see in this candle, you see a very big rejection last month, and this month a very big rejection. What does this thing is telling us? This thing is telling us that gold will continue sell. Is forming a downside movement. Is forming a downside movement, and this downside movement can lead gold to hit at least the bottom of this candle. Do you see it? It can break, it will break this bottom of this candle and hit something like here. before we can get a very good buy again. You can see on that 1 week chart, I mentioned this 2150. You can see it here, 2150, before we can get a very big movement. And if you go for this 1 month, you will see how many months that gold completely buy without fully 1 month sell. If you start from here, let's say from here, you still see that if we count it, you will see that we have almost complete 6 months thereabout, or let's say 7 months, because this red candle here is just a small continuation, a correction, consolidation to start up trade again. Let's say that this buy for complete 6 months. What are we expecting? We are going to expect at least something like this in 1 month. Let me use pen. We are going to expect something like this movement, or something like this. This is what we should expect before gold can then went up again. So for the final conclusion, I don't want to make this video to be very long. So you can see in this, even a small time frame, gold is going down. In 30 minutes, gold is going down. In 1 hour, gold is going down. It have already break, and this thing is a clear movement. There is no anybody that is a trader, a professional trader, should have known that this thing is a very big down movement. Once gold have crossed this white line, I said it, I posted it on WhatsApp, group, that if gold cross this line with a very big candle, there is nothing like returning until the gold will hit the exit point it want to go. So for what I'm seeing right now, gold have already crossed it. You can see it with a very big bearish candle. So what are we expecting gold? We are expecting gold to went down very massively. Remember I said that gold will hit 2312 to 2304 by Monday. This is starting prediction on Monday. And on this 1 day time frame, this moving average 14, 15, 14, 21, and 50 is going to cross each other by next week. Which means I am expecting this to cross being Tuesday or Wednesday. Let's say Wednesday, that this is going to cross. And remember, once this thing cross, at least it still needs about, let's say, 2 complete days of selling before we can get a big correction. Just understand this. Once this thing cross, we are going to have at least two big candle, 2 3 days or 4 downside that gold will sell completely before we can get big correction. That is when we are going to know to continue a bullish or bearish movement. That is where we are going to know. If gold hits this 2412 on Monday, know that on Tuesday that this moving average 14 and 15, 14, 21, 15 is going to cross each other to confirm that gold have started completely downside in 1 day time frame. And once this thing happen, it's not a small movement. We are going to be getting up and down, but downside will be bigger than up. So I will end the video here. If you have any question about this video, please ask it in comment section. I will still also analyze I will still also analyze dollar and also step index, volatility index. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like so that I will have energy to be posting more videos like this. Yes, I will be also posting strategy, the easy strategy that you can use to make money in this forex trading. So I will end the video. Like it and subscribe and share the video.